welcome back to 5 Minute Mechanic. We're here working on my 66 Chevy Corvair Corsa 140. Hooking up the carburetor linkages. Our last video, I was missing the linkages for these rods that work for the connecting the throttle to the carburetors, and I needed one more little clip. Then I found this little guy, and I think this might do the trick. We're gonna try it out. It should be able to clip in like this and lock in place, and that should hold it right where we want it to. At least to be able to get it tested, and I can go get some more parts. Got to remove it, the clip from there. Now is the tricky part. See if I can get it installed down underneath here on this linkage. Give it a try and see if it'll line up or if I can drop it. Magnets, great tool. All right, we'll give that one more try. Get that started. Get me a little bit better light here. Maybe not a better light, but one where I can see. That didn't work. It's funny how fast your 5 minutes goes when it doesn't snap right together, huh? That's not helping me. If I do get that on, I'm not sure I'll ever get it back off. All right. Now, we've got this little clip, the factory one. This is a replacement. We'll hook that on up here. I'll have to make some adjustments to this later. Get it snapped in. So now our throttle linkage should be able to work. Oh, I forgot this side. We'll hook up this one over here on the passenger primary. And these linkages should work. I've never really had to do too much work with the secondary carbs. Like I said in one of the last videos, my first 140 didn't have the secondaries. We just plated them off. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit. See, that gives us, no, still no view of the passenger side. That's okay, we're only working over here for a minute. So I have those linkages hooked up. And I think that means we can start tightening down all of the bolts and nuts on the carburetors and on the shift or the linkages here to control the fuel. Move this screwdriver out of the way. Sweet. Well, that was our 5 minutes for today. We'll see what we can get done tomorrow. Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic.